Can I ask you one question? How many English videos have you watched till today? Yes, how many? Tell me in the comment first. I want to answer all of you. Okay? Every night, thousands of people make the same promise to themselves. From tomorrow, I will start speaking English. But tomorrow comes and nothing changes. Why? Because they think I don't have anyone to practice with. I don't have money for coaching. My English isn't good enough. Can I tell you something? The person who can help you the most is already living with you. It's you. Yes, you. Your home is the best classroom you will ever have. And today I will show you how. But when someone suddenly speaks to you in English, you will you silent sorry you still become silent, not because you don't know English, but because you are afraid of making mistakes. Understand that feeling because I have felt it too. The biggest mistakes people make is thinking I will start speaking English when I become perfect. No, 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 no. You become perfect after you start speaking. And the best place is to start is not in front of people. It inside your own home. Today I will show you how you exactly how. Okay? So hello everyone, I am Nigam from Bihar and today is day 2 of our 30 days English speaking mastery challenge. Okay? And you need to watch my full video. Okay, don't miss any part because today video is very important. Because I am telling about how you can learn English at your home. Not in city, not any other country. Okay? You can learn in your English at your home. You don't need to go anywhere for learn English. You don't need an English speaking partner. Yes. You don't need expensive coaching. You don't even need perfect grammar. You only need 10 honest minutes every day. Let's begin. Okay? When I start learning English, I didn't have people around me who spoke English all day. I made mistakes. I forgot words. Sometimes I laugh at myself. But one thing changed everything. I stopped waiting for the perfect environment. I started speaking English at home. That's where my confidence began. Then teach the habit but keep talking naturally. Yes, this is my because I never go any coaching and I never purchase any course. Honestly, I'm saying it is my own hard work. And I learn English with myself, with my practice, with my hard work. Okay? I never go any coaching. I never join any course. Yes. And many students and many viewers ask me how much time you spend on learning English and where are you learning English and how you can learn English. Okay, then I'm only saying to you I'm learning English with myself or practicing. Whatever in my mind going, I just speak in English. And when I talk to on call, I say, "Hello, how can I help you? Can you tell me your problem?" "Okay, let's do it something funny. How can I help you? I think you don't need my help." Did you understand what I'm saying? If you don't understand, then it's okay. We are talking in Hindi. If you understand, we continue. Yes, I'm just looking like same attitude. A same dialogues. I repeat. When I talk to my friend and my partner and my relationship in anyway, I talk to like this. "Hello, how can I help you? Did you understand English? Can we talk in English?" "Yes, I'm just liking it's really I'm talking like this." Yes. That is build my confidence. Somebody nothing understand. But they say, "Okay, okay. Yes, yes. Oh, good, good." And I understand. They don't understand anything. Then I continue in Hindi. Yes, I do like this. Even you can also do that. Now we are talking about habit of one. Habit number one. Think in English. Tomorrow morning, when you wake up, don't pick your phone first. Just look around your room and say, "It's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful morning. I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy. I need some water. I need some water." Even if your English isn't perfect, your brain has already started changing. Turn your house into an English classroom. Look around, okay? Window, door, chair, mirror, kitchen. Every object around you can teach you in English. Describe whatever you see. Yes, just describe it, just like me. When I see anything, "Wow, this is so beautiful. I like this flower. I'm not sitting on chair. Okay, I like this. Can you give me? Can you give me some water? Oh, your dress is nice. But you are not cool. I don't like this. Oh yeah, I'm so beautiful, I know. You are so beautiful. No, I don't like it. Oh, this is nice. You are reading? What are you reading? Oh, you're reading 10th book. Of 10th book, not in. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, how much time you spend on study? Only 1 hour. That's not enough. Good job. Okay, continue. Like this, yes, I'm doing like this. And you can also try this, my guy. Habit number 2. Record yourself. Do you know why most people never improve? Because they never listen to themselves. Take your phone, record your voice, just 1 minute. When I record myself for first time, I noticed so many mistakes. Yes, I noticed so many mistakes. I didn't feel embarrassed. I felt excited. Because no, I finally knew what I need to improve. Yes, you can also record yourself in your phone. Open your phone and open your camera and just record. And choose any one topic in your career, in your future, and any room, chairs, environment, news, actor, anything, and your favorite subject, your favorite anything. Just pick one and talk to. Yes, talk about that. Whatever you in your mind going, just talk in English. Yes, because I love to talk about myself. Then I record, when I record myself, I'm talking about myself, what I become, what I want, what I need, what I don't need. I'm talking like that. And you can also try this. Okay? Remember one thing. Fluent English isn't built in classroom. It's built in those small moments. When nobody is watching you, the sentence you speak today inside your room can become the confidence you carry into your interview tomorrow. So today's challenge is simple. Speak for just 10 minutes at home. Not for me, not for YouTube, for yourself. Okay? And I will see you in day 3. Okay, bye bye. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep improving.